Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. The 1982 Nissan Sentra marked an important moment in the evolution of compact cars and in Nissan's growing presence in global automotive markets. Introduced as a replacement for the Datsun 210, the Sentra represented a fresh start for Nissan in the United States and abroad, both in design philosophy and brand strategy. It debuted at a time when fuel efficiency, reliability, and affordability were top priorities for car buyers. The Sentra delivered on all of these expectations, quickly becoming one of the most respected and recognizable small cars of the early 1980s. Stylistically, the 1982 Sentra embraced a clean, angular design that mirrored trends of the era. Straight lines, boxy proportions, and a practical shape made the car immediately familiar and approachable. It looked honest, neither overly futuristic nor overly conservative. The front end featured a simple rectangular grille and squared headlights, projecting a no-nonsense appearance that suggested reliability and durability. While it was not particularly flashy, the design aged well and conveyed a sense of thoughtful simplicity. Nissan offered the Sentra in a variety of body styles, including a 2-door sedan, 4-door sedan, 3-door hatchback, 5-door hatchback, and a wagon. This diversity allowed customers to choose a model that matched their needs, whether they wanted something sporty, practical, or family-friendly. Inside, the Sentra focused on functionality. The cabin was surprisingly spacious for a compact car, thanks in part to its upright shape and efficient interior packaging. The dashboard layout followed the same clean, geometric aesthetic as the exterior, with large, easy-to-read gauges and simple controls. Materials were straightforward but durable, designed to withstand daily use. Even in the lower trims, the seats offered good support and visibility was excellent thanks to large windows and thin pillars. Higher trims introduced features such as upgraded upholstery, improved sound systems, and additional convenience options, giving the Sentra a more refined feel without inflating the price. One of the biggest headlines surrounding the 1982 Sentra was its shift to front-wheel drive. This was part of a larger trend within the auto industry, as manufacturers sought to improve fuel efficiency and interior space by reconfiguring the drivetrain. Nissan embraced this approach wholeheartedly, and the result was a compact car that offered predictable handling, impressive traction in poor weather, and excellent space utilization. The lightweight design made the Sentra easy to maneuver and efficient around town, appealing to city drivers and first-time owners alike. Under the hood, the Sentra featured Nissan's new E-Series 4-cylinder engines, designed to prioritize reliability and fuel economy. These engines were small but spirited, capable of delivering lively performance for daily driving while keeping fuel consumption remarkably low. When launched, the Sentra quickly gained attention for achieving fuel economy numbers that exceeded many competitors, making it particularly attractive during an era when gasoline prices were a major concern. Paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, the Sentra delivered smooth, consistent performance that made it easy to drive regardless of skill level. For many buyers, it struck the perfect balance between economy and everyday usability. The 1982 Sentra also reinforced Nissan's reputation for durability. The new platform proved sturdy, resisting wear and mechanical issues even under heavy use. Owners found the car inexpensive to maintain, with parts readily available and repair procedures straightforward. This reliability helped the Sentra gain a loyal customer base and contribute to Nissan's rapidly growing brand recognition in North America. Many early Sentras remained on the road for decades, a testament to their robust engineering and careful construction. On the road, the Sentra felt predictable and stable. While not designed for high-performance driving, it offered surprising composure in corners and delivered a comfortable ride for daily commuting. The suspension tuning leaned towards softness, absorbing bumps effectively, while the lightweight chassis made it feel nimble enough for tight city streets. For families, students, and commuters, it provided exactly what they needed: a dependable, economical, and easy-to-drive vehicle that made transportation simple. The market reception for the 1982 Sentra was overwhelmingly positive. It arrived at the right moment, offering exceptional fuel economy at a time when efficiency was king. The model quickly became one of Nissan's best-selling cars, helping the company transition smoothly from the Datsun name to the Nissan identity in the US. The Sentra's combination of affordability, reliability, and practicality helped introduce countless drivers to the brand and solidified Nissan's place in the global compact car segment. Looking back, the 1982 Nissan Sentra stands as one of the most important early milestones in the model's long history. It set the tone for what the Sentra would become, a dependable and sensible compact car that consistently offered value far above its price. The first-generation Sentra may not have been flashy or luxurious, but it delivered exactly what drivers needed, and it did so with characteristic Nissan honesty and strength. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.